It is my privilege to facilitate the discussion between myself and three leaders in our environment who are probably going to inspire even me when we listen to their fitness stories. No? Joining me is Osang, Titos, and Alex. We're going to answer only a few questions, and then there will be some product videos from our sponsor, Nutrilite, as a break. If you have questions, please write them at the chat box. We will try to address them after the videos. And if you are here with a friend, please talk to each other and send us a private message if you wish to meet at the breakout room after. Okay? So to help me introduce my friends to all of you, let's answer this question. Was fitness your priority before? No? Were you active when you were young? Maybe we can ask Osang to answer first. Hi, Osang.
Wait. Hi, good evening. Sorry, Yo. So yung question, if I was active, yes. Active talaga ako nung maliit ako. Siguro, as sabi natin, more on the athletic side. Kasi I bike, I run, tapos ano ba, I do bowling, except for swimming, no? Ayun. So, basically, I'm very active. Tapos may din maglakad.
Okay, let's listen to Titos. No? How were you as a child?
Not so nice to be able to tell everyone. Sakitin ako ng bata ako eh. Bihira ako makabuo ng school yun na hindi ako nag-absent. Ang lagi na winawarn ng nanay ko, baka kapasa ka ba anak? Kasi madalas kang absent eh. But that was me. I couldn't yung pag-participate sa mga yung mga activity, physical activities because I was very sickly. Lagi ako on medication, yung mga ganyang type. No? Until about mga 15 or 16 years old.
What happened when you were 16? Kasi matagal pa yon. It's still in the past.
Nung pagdating ng basically nung college, I need the money to be able to pay the tuition fee. Meron in-offer yung scholarship, athletic scholarship. Baka hindi ako basta sa academic, dinaan ko sa athletics. I was running at the 5,000, 10,000 and marathon. So I had a gift of stamina. It was not speed. So ginamit ko yun for about 1.5 years. Nagugulat sa akin ng nanay ko, bakit ikaw humingi sa akin ng pera? Yung mga ganyang type, but it helps a lot that basically, I realized that was my strength, stamina. I hypnotized myself on the road. Tak, 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 pinakikinggan ko yun. So hindi ako napapagod. And
hindi ka nakakasakit?
Oo, surprisingly, because I was smelling the air. Dati nakakulong lang ako sa isang bahay. So when I was out there, I realized the world is free. So maganda yun. So I felt
motivated, free tuition.
Oh yes, yung breeze ng sa mukha mo, tumatakbo ka. And you don't become sick. Malaking bagay sa akin. Na-enjoy ko yung buhay ko eh.
How about Alex? How were you when you started?
Nung bata ko, I was part of a swimming varsity.
Nag-level up na nag-level up.
So medyo kahit kulay talaba ka, medyo slim, and then the breathing is really good. But when I entered high school and college, so na-introduce ako sa soft drinks. Carbonated drinks really messed up my breathing, and nag-gain ako ng weight, and then naging sedentary na yung college ko up to working. I now work as a corporate, so medyo lagi nakaupo, ganyan.
So medyo pareho yung yung ending ng kanilang They all started different. Si Titos was sickly, but there was a burst of athleticism nung motivated sa scholarship. And then Osang was really a playful, active child, no? Pero life happened, no? Naging busy mom, professional, bumagal ng lifestyle. Titos, I suppose, because we know him in the community as somebody influential in IT. So I suppose you became the typical executive, no? And that's socializing as you were. Hindi na naman masyado active, which is surprisingly still the story of Alex. No,
Yeah.
he might have started elite athlete, but no, ganun pa rin. Ang aga naman ng soda. You were buying it in school?
Yes, oo. Actually,
Oh.
I remember the discipline that tinuturo sa amin before. Bawal talaga carbonated drinks.
But you
Kasi it would
said
mess
you
up your
liked it.
stamina.
Where were you drinking it? Saan ang access?
Sa school, sa labas, everywhere.
Yeah, we really have to be
Yeah.
vigilant about schools selling carbonated drinks. Anyway, nutrition is not the topic. It's really fitness. So let me go back. Why did fitness become a priority for you now? And if you can, maybe you can share your fitness goals to the group. Yeah, so maybe we can start with Alex kasi let's go with him first. We just heard na he was initially an athlete, and then when he started to work, he slowed down. Probably he didn't like also his body kasi he can compare it when he was an athlete. So what happened?
Yeah.
What turned you? What made you want to embrace fitness again?
Brief continuation. No? So we started working, my wife and I, Monica. So we're earning na. So tinry namin lahat ng restaurant. We became foodies. And then, so our weight, we didn't watch out the food we ate. We didn't watch out until 30s. I was actually diagnosed hypertensive as
Oh.
early as 30s. So that sort of became a wake-up call that I needed to change something.
I shared that wake-up call, but I was already almost 50. Maaga-aga ang 30, Alex?
Yeah,
Aga-aga.
too soon.
Okay. How about you, Osag?
Actually ako nga, di ba, healthy naman ako when I was a kid. So I had never seen a doctor until nung nag-college lang ako kasi for APE sa UP, di ba? Pero ang next na tumingin ako, nagkaroon ako ng meeting with a doctor was nung nagkaroon ako ng cancer. Yun. So basically, yun, ito sa wake-up call for me. Siyempre, maliliit pa yung mga anak ko, di ba? Tapos, wala akong bisyo, pero bakit ganon? Pero siguro dahil stressful, siyempre, daming demands, di ba? With the growing family, ganon. Tapos, marami kang trabaho, yun. Ito sa wake-up call for me. Kasi bigla I mean, I've never seen a doctor my growing up. Hanggang sa ko. Tapos ito biglang first time mo makakita ng seryosong doktor, cancer pa.
Tapos, di ba, cancer is such a big
Yes.
label. The whole family gets a wake-up call. Hindi lang ikaw. Yeah, and to have kids very young, tama. How about you, Titos?
Technically, I never stopped exercising, except for one thing. You cannot out exercise a bad diet. I never saw it that way. Malakas akong kumain, okay exercise ko, kulang ako sa tulog, stress po ng buhay ko. I didn't realize how bad I was until one day I passed out in the middle of a session. And I woke up sa hospital and I saw for the first time yung pare na barkada ko. Sabi niya, Titos, did you know that your heart stopped for about 30 seconds? You should be dead by now. Hindi ko alam kung matutuwa ako sa sinabi niya kasi binabasbasan ako eh. And then I realized, I look at these things and basically, I do not want to die sa mesa nag-work ka. Parang hindi maganda yun eh. So that's where after I start looking at my life and said, buti na lang at that time I was already with the organization na I was with the right people. Nag-guide ako properly eh. Otherwise, I could have died early in life eh. Kasi doon pa lang masama na eh. So I was still, and I made, that was supposed to be, kalakasan ko yun, but hindi. Magbilis, again, going back, you cannot out-exercise a bad diet, no matter what you do. So hindi kaya yun eh.
If you are interested in learning ideas about how to eat well, marami pong makikita sa CZG YouTube channel. Okay? Kasi that's not the topic now, but even Dr. Rico would always say, fix how you eat first, and then we have to fix the program. So we're seeing very big wake-up calls. They get scarier as you heard them, and you might have your own wake-up call too. So fast forward the tape, they're now examples for fitness. So magaling. Let's ask them, how do you move now? how do you exercise? What's your typical day like? Maybe we can start with Titos.
Ay, thank you. Ang talagang motivation sa akin yung 14 na pusa. Kasi pinakakain ko yun mga 2 or 3 times a day. Ang pawis mo doon, paghabol dito, luto dito, yung ganyang typing mo, that takes about 1.5 hours to 2 hours every day. Kulang pa yun. I realized was about close to about 9,000 steps sa umaga pa lang. So without doing anything, tapos swerte naman ako dato sa blessing. Kasi yung lugar namin, paglabas mo mausok, hindi maganda maglakad sa labas eh. Lahat ng smog, masasaga mo. But inside the house, tumataba yung mga pusa ko, nangangayayat ako. Nagbabalansi kaming dalawa eh. So, ultimately, that becomes, ang dinadagdag ko ng mga stretching exercises. Kasi yumuyuko ka, everything. I put a little bit more power because I have to lift a lot of things. So, I use my body weight to be able to do like push up, pull up, yung mga ganyang type eh. There's nothing magical about those exercises. It comes with labor. Pinagsama ko yung labor and exercise at the same time. Nasolve yung problema. Wala ka ng oras na kailangan kunin para mag-exercise ka. Sa bahay pa lang, pwede na eh. I didn't know until I saw myself na bumababa yung timbang ko, gumaganda yung kain ko, I sleep better, I also think better, yung mga ganyang type, you know. It helps a lot. If you manage to work well, it will help you out.
Yeah. So, for some of us na hindi natin alam how to start, there's a lot to learn there, no? Just do the chores at home. And as much as possible, don't use too many gadgets. No, yung mga vacuum cleaner. I think I saw this in the Blue Zone book, no, na what Titus is probably doing. He's squatting a lot, lifting some things, no, he's stretching. Everything in its natural way. And sabi nga niya, no, your body has some weight. So yun lang ang weight bearing na ginagawa. Very safe for his. How about you, Osam?
Na-mention ko earlier na mahilig talaga ako maglakad, di ba? So yung work ko, I spend most of my time sa work sitting down. So ginagawa ko, after work, naglalakad ako. So kung pupunta naman ako sa head office sa Makati, what I do is I commute, di ako nagdadala ng sakyan, pero I walk home from Makati to Pateros. Kasi isipin mo gano'ng kalayo yun, di ba? And then with my laptop na sa likod
Wow,
ko.
so
Kasi
meron talagang
may weights pa siya, di ba? Yun. So, pero naisip ko, kulang yung walking. So, what I did, nag-enroll ako sa calisthenics. Kasi sabi ko nga, yung fitness is more than just the physical. Sa akin, being able to do the things na may fun, di ba? Kasi mahilig kami mag-trekking, mag-hiking, bowling with friends. Yung mga kasing age ko, medyo parang di na sila maka-keep up sa akin. Gusto ko mga kasama mga bata. So, sa edad ko to, nag-enjoy pa ako kasama yung mga bata. And then, yun nga, aside from doing the fun things, doing the essential things, like yung carrying heavy groceries from the car to papunta sa bahay, or let's say, walking 3 flights of stairs kung daw sira yung elevator sa FRT, di ba? Kaya pa lumakad, especially sa show. Ang taas kaya nun, na hindi ka humihinto, di ba? Sarap ng feeling, may edad ka na, pero nagagawa mo pa.
You're reminding me of a book that I read na sabi niya, if you exercise with company, no, yung sinisynchronize nyo yung movements nyo, it builds trust. No, you begin to also have camaraderie. You like each other, and then, lalo na if you need each other to work, it makes you push past your limits. So siguro, no, you inspire your classmates, no, sa calisthenics.
Hindi ko nga alam ako inspire Kasi sabi nila, ang word nila, tita, natitreaten kami sa'yo. Natawa naman ako doon.
Yeah. Some people kasi, they really find joy in moving that way. Lalo na yung mga mahilig mag-dance together or in tandem, yung parang mga ballroom dancing. Kailangan talaga may social aspect to moving. That's good. Let's hear from the youngest. How
Yeah,
about you?
share ko lang, when I was about 94, 95 kilograms, I did high intensity interval training, in heat, no, and my weight really trimmed down. Problem was that I realized later on, I was pushing my heart too much. So parang, kaya the BP was still there, the BP was still high, the blood pressure. And now I transitioned sort of nitric oxide dump. So it's a 3 to 5 minute na exercise. really gets your blood pressure down. Kasi yun talaga yung main wake-up call ko and yun yung battle ko every day. Kapag APE, kinakabahan ako kasi baka may BP testing, tapos pauwiin ako ng nurse, parang ganun. But I really focused on cardio. That's, right now we're doing badminton once a week or twice a week. It's fun. It's really fun. No? Medyo may intensity din yung play, yung game. You're playing with your friends. And then you're having fun. You don't realize. Minsan 1 hour, 2 hour, you get 30,000 steps done.
Wow. Yeah. And I think he's really attracted to HIIT, no? Even nitric oxide dump is another HIIT
Parang
exercise.
low-key. Yeah, no,
Pero
HIIT.
I also follow it religiously kasi nga blood pressure din yung binabantayan ko. Ask your friends how to access it because it's a very simple, it's only 4 exercises that you do a few rounds. And then you mentioned badminton, no? With friends because it's fun.
Yeah.
Tama, no? When you get out of the house and then you join a community, movement becomes sustainable kasi nga masaya, no? Naalala ko nga yung sinasabi ni Osang na she's climbing stairs like titos. I also agree. Before, I'm a nurse kasi by profession. Before, ayoko talaga mag-elevator in hospitals. PGH pa lang yun na yung training namin. No? So, ngayon, tumataas na lahat ng hospitals. Dumadami na yung stairs. And nare-realize ko nga, I'm not happy if I have to go on the 11th floor and I cannot breathe anymore. So, dapat talaga, no? You have to mind your fitness. Correct. Another question would be the changes. No? Maybe we can ask them kasi some of us really want to move better this 2025. Ano bang naramdaman? No? What changes are you feeling now that fitness is part of your everyday routine? No? Especially when you compare it to how you felt before when you were sedentary. Maybe we can start with Titos.
Ang
Now
importante
you
sa
have 13 hats.
Okay. Age before beauty, sige. Ang inumpisahan ko talaga basically is to be able to make sure that hindi ko ma-feel yung pain. Kasi I saw my friends that the moment nagkaroon sila ng pain, nag-slow down yung body processes nila, madalas sa silya, ang bilis ng degrading ng katawan. Nakikita ko yung pattern nila and I don't want that to happen to me. Kasi magastos yun eh. I also realized basically na meron ka responsibility sa people na you love eh. Kasi nagiging burden ka sa bahay pag may sakit ka eh. I remember my mother, pinagpapasa-pasa naman, Tito, ikaw naman, wala na akong pera. Yung mga ganun, narinig ng nanay ko yun, masakit sa kanya yun eh. I don't want that to happen to me. So talaga, I make sure that I'm in tip-top shape and I realize na I can move. I can move almost at the same speed. Now, I'm 72 right now, ng mga 45, 50 years old. Ganyan pa rin ang pacing ko eh. Tinigil ako na mag-drive kasi long hours ka nagda-drive is bad for the back eh. So, umakit ako ng MRT, sinabi nga nung umakit ako ng hagdanan, hindi ako nag-elevator eh. Nakakatuwa pag pinigil ko ng security guard, sir, pang senior lang po yan. Ay, tuwa-tuwa ako doon pag napagkakabalan ako hindi eh. The reality is basically everything pays, no? Yung exercise helps a lot. Without really doing exercise, you convert all activities na talaga in the reality is you're trying to burn calories, you're trying to move as much as you actually can, you stand for as long as you can, you don't sit down. Ang tingin nila sa'yo, gentleman, pero in reality, you're trying to burn calories eh. So, yung mga it helps a lot, no? There's nothing fancy about what we have to do that you can do. Everybody can still do the same thing. Back to you.
I like to repeat that, no? The dream is to move without pain. Tama yun eh, kasi I had my bout of frozen shoulder. Menopause is not kind. If there are women in the room. Pero talaga, ayaw mo talagang gumalaw and then it adds up. Nagkakaroon ng sequelae, iba-ibang problems na because you're not moving. So, and how inspiring na he is limber, no? Sa liksi niya, akala ng mga tao he's young. So, oo nga, kasi I'm also the same way. I assess gait. I notice people who walk slower as a sign of age. Tama, no? Kaya, yun na nga. Sige. let's listen to Osang. How about you? What are the benefits that you're feeling now?
Siyempre, I felt better, ganon. Tapos, I feel more confident kasi straight yung body mo eh. Kahit nagkakaedad ka na, yung posture mo maganda, di ba? Compared to people na kasing age mo, pero gano'n na sila, di ba? And then, siguro, isang magandang benefit is I sleep better. Kasi sabi nila, pag tumatanda ka na raw, mahirap matulog. Pero kabak sarap ng tulog ko, hindi ko alam kung bakit.
Totoo yun. I
Mm.
noticed, kasi
Mm.
I count everything, basta umaabot ng more than 5,000 steps ako before lunch. Maganda ang sleep. No? Maganda ang sleep. Let's listen to the youngest. Alex, okay.
Yeah. Ako yung ano din, I agree with Tito, movement without pain. Kasi sa age namin, actually, dyan naglalabasan yung mga may knee pain ka na, bumibigat ka, biglang masakit yung talampakan mo. I know parang 4 out of 10 friends that I have may gout. Parang so our
Oh,
generation really is vulnerable. Yung I think it's because of the food we ate all throughout. Pero doon naglalabasan talaga. Yun yung mga tita-tito moments na tinatawag namin, adulting with millennials. No? But with the exercise, the nitric oxide dump really helped me lower my blood pressure. I just had my APE nung Friday. My BP was 110/80. You know,
Wow,
without maintenance meds.
without medicine.
Without. So it's like, baka pag nag-maintenance meds, mas bumaba. Low blood naman yung problema ko.
Ano ka
So,
lang. Pwede.
yeah, and then badminton really helped me a lot with balance. Yung minsan, alam mo, parang di mo alam kung vertigo, puyat ka lang, or hilo ka lang. Yun. And then it also helps with the reflexes tsaka focus.
Nalulungkot ako. I'm hearing vertigo from him. Yeah. Tama. Oh, but anyway, ano nga, no? The more you incorporate fitness, the younger your body feels, and then the younger you look. Tawa ng tawa yung isang, kwento lang, sandali. Yung caregiver nung patient ko, kasi I attended his 5th birthday, so 5-year-old yung patient. Tapos dumating yung very loud party host. In his loud hello, lapit siya sa akin, "Hi, mommy! Kamusta?" Hindi naman ako yung katabi ko yung mommy. Sabi nung yaya, baka mas mukha kang bata. Sabi ko, I cannot have a 5-year-old at my age. Hindi na pwede. But anyway, moving on. For 2025, no? What do you want to still add to your fitness program? I read a book kasi, Outlive. And sabi niya, when you're trying to visualize your 100th birthday, no? Anong gusto mong gawin? And then you try to plan now, your current age, what kinds of muscles do you need to take care of? What kind of movements do you need to monitor para magagawa mo pa rin siya at 100? When I was reading that, I was suffering from shoulder limitations. So ang inisip ko, dapat mabubuhat ko yung luggage ko overhead, no, at 100 if God will still allow me to travel. So I was really, natuto ako mag-stretch. Yung ganyan, natuto ako mag-stretch, natuto ako mag-bear ng weight kasi I think ako yata ang pinakalampa sa group na to. So sabi ko nga kay Olive, pang host lang yata ako. I was never athletic and not interested. I like reading books and it ended there. So I was sitting even young. So anyway, kayo, I'm curious, no? At 100, what do you want to be able to do and what do you want to add to your fitness program pa? Let's start with Titos.
I want to put on more weight. Yun ang napansin ko yung you lose body mass as you age. Lumuwag lahat ng damit ko, yung mga Amerikana. Ang tingin ko parang ninako ko sa kapitbahay yung Amerikana, hindi kasi sa akin maluluwag Parang hindi parang kasi 2 tao dun. So, I'm trying to get, I'm shifting yung mga exercise na you actually put yung mga muscle strengthening, and then you actually take more protein. Buti na meron tayong protein drink. It helps a lot kasi parang hindi ka naman maging constipated ka. So yun ang kalaban naman nun So yung digestive system actually will come into play also. Yun ang aking goal. So be able to put a little bit more muscle, maybe gain a few more pounds. wala akong problema sa aking mga blood pressure, everything else, everything seems to be normal. Sometimes I think abnormal lang, pero that's normal for me. So, importante na si baby to make sure that yung aking body mass I'm looking forward to will actually be back. Siguro mga kasing laki ako ni Alex. I will be happy with it.
Oh, may konting envy sa muscle ni Alex. Tama nga yun, no? The older you get, the faster you lose muscle. Tama. How about you, Osang?
Siguro, wala akong maisip na idagdag kasi feeling ko, siguro more time to exercise. Kasi ngayon, I exercise 3 times a week sa calisthenics class ko. And then, ginagawa ko naman lahat. May strengthening, endurance, tapos ano pa, flexibility. Siguro, yoga, pwede ko idagdag. Iniisip ko to add flexibility. And then, siguro, isang kailangan din ma-maintain kasi medyo nabawasan yung oras ko to read books eh. Kasi importante sa akin when it comes to fitness, dealing yung physical it's also yung to feed yung mind natin, to exercise our minds. Kasi di ba, as we grow older, sabi nga nila, dementia can set in, ang hirap. So we have to continuously exercise our minds. Tapos siguro spiritual, dadagdag ko rin. Kasi pag kakaedad tayo, I mean, yung physically talaga mag-decline over the years. But we have something, we have inner resources to draw on, di ba? Pag kailangan natin ng strength, inner strength, magdadala sa'yo up to age 100.
That's why you inspire younger women. Kasi usually, at a certain age, we feel also uncomfortable when we have to listen to our family and friends who keep talking about what's wrong or what's slow or what's weak. No? And she's talking about reading books, yoga. Hindi pa ako nagsisimula sa calisthenics. Grabe. Tama, pero she's right, no? She's targeting the 3 important things that you really have to protect: your strength, your endurance, and your stability. So, malayong-malayo talaga ang risk for falls and hip dysplasia for you. Sige, how about you, Alex?
Yeah, ako, I'm 1/3 of 100. We're 34 right now. But nasa stage na ako ng correction, no? I'm really thankful na I discovered this community ahead of time. Because at least I got hope na, alam mo, that totally mawala na yung maintenance meds and everything like that. And the question itself actually validates that I'm in the right environment. I mean, looking at Titus and Awesome, diba? Olive and you, Romina. Like, yun yung goal. Talaga from our age, like, alam mo yun, beyond that age with that attitude pa rin, enthusiasm, energy. I used to joke about Titus being Mr. Gary V of CCG, parang the Mr. Pure Energy, diba? So a lot of actually in our age, parang yun yung common problem. And yun nga, sometimes we look up to people na mas matanda sa amin who have the same problem. Hypertensive din sila, diabetic din sila. So I think yun yung mas key sa akin ngayon is that awareness of the right path to follow.
Correct. And it's wonderful na, I'm sorry for your generation, kasalanan din namin yun eh. Sabi nga nila, it's a terrible trend now that the younger generations might even die earlier than the previous ones. No, the environment, no, and also the habits are wrong. Pero natutuwa nga ako na there's a discussion like this where everybody is challenging us to look at ourselves and to be creative with how we move. I think we have time now for our videos. Please ask us your questions if you have any. I'll be looking at the chat box so we can talk about it after the videos. Thank you.
How do you prepare yourself to face the daily challenges? The energy you need to take on a new day. The vitality to keep yourself going. And the strength to overcome whatever that stands in your way. With Nutrilite Double X, of course. Fortified with 11 vitamins, 10 minerals, and 19 plant concentrates. Nutrilite Double X keeps you in good health. Take on every day with a smile to keep you and your family healthy and happy.
Our bodies require energy to sustain us throughout the day. From focusing in school to juggling a busy day between work and family. B vitamins are essential in the formation of energy to get us through our daily tasks efficiently. With the right amounts at the right time, these B vitamins will ensure we have sufficient energy throughout the day. At Nutrilite, our scientists have worked tirelessly to develop the vitamin B dual action. Packed with natural spirulina and 8 essential B vitamins that goes easy on the stomach. Providing 8 hours of energy support in just one tablet with instant and extended release. Now you can be at your best from the start to the end of your day while enjoying a better quality personal life. Nutrilite Vitamin B Dual Action. Revive, revitalize, re-energize.
Actually, the 3 supplements are very good to help you support your healthier lifestyle. No, for nutritional insurance, double X definitely. If you are like Titos and Osang, na they talk about how much energy they get, no, and how they like it, no, they can take B vitamins. It's very safe, especially if mahilig mag-carbohydrates and sugar. Usually, your body will not absorb enough B vitamins. So, maganda rin yan sa mood. You're malayo ka sa depression. And then the rhodiola, bagay kay Alex kasi mahilig siya sa mga intense workouts. I actually take it because I have a problem with cortisol. No? It makes your body adapt to stressors quickly. Okay? Ano lang siya, caffeinated. So dahan-dahan ang pag-inom. We only have one question. How do you recommend people to stay motivated with exercise? I found kasi a book that I am curious about. Maybe what I learned from it can help answer this question. The book was saying that you need to do something, even moderate exercise. Diba? Sabi nga ni Osang, she walks, no? Si Tito, he does chores. And si Alex, diba? He will have home workouts. Sabi nila, you need to persist 20 minutes. And then your high, no, the parang the good hormones will kick in. So you give yourself at least 20 minutes. Pilitin mo. So what happened to me nung pandemic, no, when I needed to work on my blood pressure during a lockdown, I would watch videos that are engaging. Kasi nga hindi ka pwede lumabas, no? So the video will run longer than 20 minutes. So, hindi lang talaga ako uupo. And funnily enough, nasanay na ako. So, when I'm watching my favorite series, tumatayo ako. So, that's probably why I lost weight fast. No, I have to, so, di ba some people, they're couch potatoes. They sit down with popcorn. Don't do that. You can walk, no? I have a very small space. So, I just, my yoga mat became rolled. No, it was folded in fours and I walk on top of it. Ginawa ko siyang treadmill na walang equipment. Kaya idol ko si Osang. Someday I will really use the yoga mat for yoga. But anyway, it helps. You can actually step on it. Maganda yung cushion. You don't need rubber shoes. No? Very simple. Just persist 20 minutes and then you start to feel good. It's actually the endorphins and the dopamine that kicks in. And it switches the brain. It's addicting. So it will help you keep exercising. Actually, exercising, according to the book, is the only addiction that benefits the body. No? So you persist. That's the first suggestion. And the book also suggests that you exercise with company. No? So in my case, since I don't like going to the gym and having to dress up. I'm really a strong introvert. I found, funnily enough, I found seniors doing aerobic activities. So in video, I follow them. Nasasabayan ko kasi sila, di ba, napakalampa ko. So nasasabayan ko sila. I'm not as as fast as maybe women my age and younger. So yun, you have to dance with company. Kasi like what Osong is doing in calisthenics. If you have a social component to exercising, you actually develop nga trust around you. No? So you tend to help people you exercise with, according to that Stanford research. And then you build your courage. You're pushing past limits. I suppose Alex will be much healthier starting today kasi he's trying to be as fit as Titos and Osang. Diba? Yung parang gano'n. You're going to push past your limits kasi you're thinking, wow, these people are they're such examples of fitness. And the last idea I got from that book is go outside. So anyway, lockdown's done. No? If you exercise under the sun, there's vitamin D there. It will help you sleep better. When you are looking at beautiful, nature, the trees that titos cannot see. Maybe there's a flower or whatever. Forest bathing ang tawag nila sa Japanese. It builds you a feeling of connection to your community and maybe to our creator. So that's nice. It's very spiritual. So hopefully, when you try the ideas, followed by their stories that are really very encouraging, sana we will all move more this 2025. No? And we will be enjoying the joy of movement. Thank you for being with us. If you have requested for a breakout room, please accept the prompt that will come after this. God bless.